No fucking way. 2000 hertz polling rate Hall effect joystick 2.0. Company named Mojhon, formerly known as BigBig Won, has created a controller called the Blitz 2, what is claimed to be the world's fastest gaming controller, period, on the market. They were in CES. Apparently these guys are the real deal, so I'm really excited about this. BigBig Won. There she is, man. Scuff, watch out. BigBig Won's coming for you. Ready for the big moment? There it is. What is this? Looks like we have our little wireless dongle. Put that over there. And then these look like little replaceable, little extra accessory. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that. Pop that off. Oh. My goodness. She is clean. You got your power there. You got, looks like 2 macro keys up here. Oh my god, they're listen. They're literally mouse click buttons. Oh, buddy, it's game over, pal. You got your little sync button there. You got 2 back paddles that just hug so nicely. It's built in very nicely. That's one of my major problems I have with hitting the back pedals is that they're huge. Like they come out way too much and they just get in the way, you know? It sucks. You know, your regular home button or screenshot button, pause, options, got your D-pad. I mean, this is basically like an Xbox controller. And then you can just pull the sticks off, replace those. We got the short ones on, but we have longer ones here. But ooh, it does feel really, really nice. It feels really nice. Hall effect sticks. So it's got a 1000 hertz gyroscope. It's got 16 full mechanical buttons. Hall effect triggers, programmable buttons, and ergonomic design. The green lights are here, so that's a good sign. So we can go ahead and adjust the settings, and I can show you guys this is indeed 2000 hertz. There's different configs, the macros on the back. Let's go ahead and add these. We're gonna go ahead and do some basic macros real quick. So, okay, so M1 is on the left, so we're gonna set up M1. We're just gonna do a tap, and it's just gonna be A. We'll save that as jump. Okay. Oh, there's also 2 on top. Okay, so there's 2 here, 2 macros here, and 2 macros in the back. So I'm not really setting up a macro necessarily. A macro could be a sequence of keys. So if you wanted to, when you hit this button, if you wanted to say, I want to crouch, ADS, and then start shooting, or I want to crouch, throw a grenade, and then ADS and start shooting, you can do all that with the push of 1 button. But for now, I'm just going to have 1 action assigned to the button so that it's set up so I can use the back pedals and it registers it as A or B or whatever key you want. Step precision settings. Step accuracy affects the accuracy of the joystick. So you can go from 32 to 256. The way that I can sort of see that it's described is it's like sort of the sensitivity or like the report rate. The lower the number, the easier it feels to aim. It's like a slower response. So if you want really fast response on your stick when you move like this or like this, then you want to turn that up high. Otherwise, if you want it to be more forgiving, then you can leave it at like your 32 or your 64. That's what I've kind of gathered. Okay. And then product manual. And you can look at your manual there. Oh, look, the macros work. Okay, I can't believe I had to get into RAF to show this off. But look. Okay, so I can hit A to jump, right? B to crouch. Now I can hit this. And I have a crouch button back here. And a jump button right here. Those are my macros. Isn't that sick? And you can do combinations of buttons too. So if you wanted to hit this, and then record you doing like a crouch spam. Like I could probably do that right now. So you just hold the macro button and the macro recording button, which is this one right here, the third one from the left, and whatever macro button you want to change. You hold that down for 3 seconds and it'll start recording. And then let's say you want it to be a crouch spam and then end. And now I click 1 button and watch as my character crouch spam. And now every time I push that button, hopefully I don't get banned from RAF for this. Look, I'm not going to hit the B button at all. All I'm going to do is just hit this back button back here. Watch. And I can do whatever I want while I'm crouching if I want to. See? You can do anything you want. You want to hold it down and say, let's do this one. I'm just going to hit that button back there. and make the controller do all the work. I don't even need to play a game anymore. When it comes to talking about innovation, this is certainly a big one. Oh my god, dude, please. Who let this guy on YouTube? Get wrecked, nerd. Oops, I'm dead. Yo, bro, what's with the spawn trapping? There we go. Is this shipment? Oh, hell yeah. I just spawned! What do you mean? Relax! Shipment, let's go. Come on!
On target.
What? Come on, baby. I grew up on this. There's no way. No! Revenge. Revenge. Yes. Okay, crouching really breaks their aim assist, doesn't it? Oops. No! Alright, let's run it back, baby. We can do this.
This way.
No!
Walking on target.
Oof. No! What? That punch did nothing. Hey, get back here.
Walking on target.
What the fuck? Okay, no, you were dead. Nope. Take it back. Take that back. This guy's sliding around like a maniac. Ah! Come on! I'm trash! Final thoughts, I loved it. Mouse clicky triggers feels awesome. It's all clicks, it's all 8,000 polling rate. It's got the RGB lighting on it. I mean, there's really nothing to complain about. It felt nice playing with it. I played with it. I've been recording for about an hour and a half now. It feels nice. I got big hands. It's like a little Xbox controller. It felt good. Highly recommend. Definitely check it out. Better than the last Pro controller that I tried. It's got macros. It's got replaceable joysticks, replaceable D-pad. I mean, it's really got it all. Nothing that is on a controller on the market that isn't on this one. Fastest gaming controller in the world. It damn sure felt like it. Thanks, BigBig Won. I sure felt like I had a BigBig Won while playing with this. Anyways, I'll leave the link for it down below. I hope you enjoyed the video, and smash like, subscribe. If you did, it would really go a long way. I'll see you in the next tech review. Make sure to check out a playlist if you haven't seen it yet, here or here, whichever one is more convenient, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.